Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Just now getting rolling here, so give me a minute. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Market opens in like 7 minutes, so let's do this. Good morning. How's everyone doing this morning? Have a good morning, good coffee, good workout, any of that good stuff? Just want to make sure everyone can hear me well. Happy Thursday. Short trading morning for you. Thanksgiving lunch with your son. That's awesome. It's the best way. Sounds like a perfect day, honestly. Dumpster Thursday, yes. Welcome in, everyone. Do we dare try the data strategy today? Not on futures, I'm talking about options. I'm not sure I will. Nvidia has strong earnings. I think we could see a move up. What's up, Team Tampa? Welcome in. Good morning, everyone. 5 minutes till market opens, so. Well, 4 minutes actually. What time do earnings come out for what, Jason? So companies, they report earnings before market open or after market close. So that's around the time frame for earnings to be reported. You can find schedule. Shows you all that. Good morning, Jackson. Good morning, Courtney. Welcome in. Ryan, I had one losing trade yesterday. I tried it stopped me out. I didn't like the price action at all yesterday. You see how it ended up doing? Like it pushed up, came back down, made low a day, came back up, made new high a day. Yeah, we See what news and events we have left still. We have 10 a.m. existing home sales. We have 11 a.m. Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook speaks. We have a Fed speaker at 1:40 p.m. Then a Fed speaker again at 6:45 p.m. So that's what we got going on today. Good morning. What's the surprise? Oh, I have another giveaway for you all and a little something special as far as giveaways go today. Got a couple of different things to give away, so we'll talk about it towards the end of the live though. I don't want to get everyone distracted. Good morning, V-Man. We had big earnings and we had FOMC minutes this week. Sipping some coffee, just hanging out with you all. I'm going to talk to Team Bull for just a minute. All right, good luck, Team Bull.
Yep.
Let's
Market's
do
open,
this.
guys. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and let's get it. Choose DoD today.
Let's do it. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. See if we get a nice setup today. It's not been my favorite week, but guess we couldn't expect too much with the FOMC minutes and NVIDIA earnings. I did see a possible trade happen yesterday evening. I didn't take it, but the reversal candle where we, started to move back up after we made that new low a day, which was weird. We climbed up, new low a day, climbed back up. But the reversal candle on the 5-minute looked good. The volume supported it. Would have been a good long entry. I'm just talking. If you have any questions or a topic you'd like to discuss, drop it in the chat. That's awesome, Jason. I'm glad you made some money already, man. Good morning. The only area I'm interested in bouncing would be down around that 25,000 area. We'll see. Not for sure, Steve. I haven't seen the data. I just know someone that did that, Jason. It worked for them for a while. They did well for a while. They actually had the strategy for it, but then they just disappeared. I don't know if they just made so much money that they just disappeared or they quit trading altogether. Haven't seen them in a minute. So job numbers were a little better than expected. No, you haven't missed. I'm gonna do some giveaways at the end of this live today, so stick around for it. It's gonna be a little different than what you are used to. Bill says green eyes is in longs. I don't like longs, Bill, so be careful. I hope it prints for him, but. Well, we have our point of control off the first 5-minute candle. I expect it will change today, so. I hope they print for him. We come out of that fair value gap, we touch VWAP, so it could. But I can't take a trade down there. 25,000 was where I was looking to bounce the take some longs on NQ if we push down. So we've got quite a ways to go. $25,000 or orb entry is what we'll look for. What do you all think the best move today is as far as NQ goes? I'm not for sure. PRV. I try to call people by their names here so everyone knows who I'm talking to, even if I know your personal name. Just a heads up. Good morning, Lance. Jaden talking to me? What's up, Jaden?
What's up, bro? What are you watching for? See anything you like?
Like a 25,000 bounce if we push down, but not a whole lot in this range.
Yeah, I'm staying patient too. I prefer this very second. Looking for a nice longs entry. It's just a matter of finding it and making it A plus.
That is right.
Nvidia bounced that 192 area. That's what I was watching for there. What if others gonna sweep and then a pin bar to the upside or something along those lines?
Yeah.
But that 192 area is hidden.
No pressure, but whatever you call today, I'm going heavy, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't let that affect your trading, but.
You mean to call you a winner on Nvidia? I can can do that.
Call it. Let's do it.
I can do that for you.
Honestly, I don't have enough room on my screen to pull up my options chain to trade it with you. Gonna have to make some room. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning, doing my best this week for you all. It's a little tough. We had NVIDIA earnings, FOMC minutes, so not ideal trading conditions this week, but we're here making it through it. So we are here making it through it. Oh yeah, we got some news today. We got 10 a.m. We have existing home sales and U.S. leading economic indicators. Then 11 p.m. we have a speaker, or 11 a.m. rather. Sorry, 10 a.m. existing home sales. 11 a.m. speaker. Then at 1:40 p.m. this is all ET. Chicago Fed president speaks. Then another one at 6:45. You're watching AVGO for a break above 370 for longs. Hope it prints for you, man. Oh, jeez. You all have any questions? You can drop them in the comments or the chat here. You on Grizzology, you have a choice to change how long the orb can play out. I have it set to 4 hours right now, but you can change that if you like. PRVT. How does the orb work? Well, we wait on the 15-minute range to get in, or 30-minute. You know, you can trade the 15 or 30-minute orb range, or the range. So first 15 minutes after market open, wait on that range, then we look for a high volume breakout candle. Then we wait on the retest of the range high or low for entry. Once we get the high volume candle, we need that high volume breakout candle to confirm our entry for most trades, yeah. I used to keep RSI up all the time when I was using Thinkorswim charts.
That basically what I look for. If we end up getting these
It's
two
who?
levels, sorry, what?
I was just
There's just too many people on Zoom and Team Bull today for me to keep it unmuted. Trying to stay focused, you know. I do apologize if you are trying to listen to them, but it's no, I don't mean anything by it. It's just how I am. I don't like distractions. Okay. It's got negative delta on this candle, just a heads up. "15-minute range is in, everyone. Now we wait." Any questions? Plenty of time. I'm in no rush. We'll hang out here as long as you all want. What indicator shows negative or positive delta? Brandon, mine shows it, but that's not the only way. I mean, to find it, you can look at footprint charts. My indicator shows it at the bottom right, though, if you choose to have it on. The blue box is the 15-minute range you see on the screen, yes. So we know our 15-minute range. Now we gotta watch for a candle to close on either side with high volume. You know, see which way we're looking to go here with this range. Ideally, I like the upside setup much better right now. That being said, I don't care which way we try it, as long as volume supports it. But I'm not for sure if we'll go up, because that previous candle, even though it was green, did have negative delta on it. So what do I think a good minimum to trade futures with? OA asked in YouTube. Well, I said yesterday 2,000 if you're using Trade-of-8, because they have lower margin requirements. You know, you could start with like 3 to 5 MNQ that way. Light size. But if you want to try funded accounts, trade with their capital, their sim-funded capital, instead of risking your own, go to grizzlytrades.com and look at Apex and Take Profit. Pick which one you like best, and just use code Grizzly for the discount once you choose. Thoughts on open and the wheel strategy? Bill, I was looking at open this morning, and it seems as though the IVs went down quite a bit. Have you noticed? On the options? Unless it's changed since I looked. I like to sell some options on open whenever the IV's nice and juicy, you know. It's like that nice premium. Yeah, yes, V man. We still haven't tested data lows though. What a candle. If I am supporting the upside, I'm just hesitant. It wouldn't be an orb entry, just be based off volume here. Yeah. Jackson, that's true. You made me laugh. Welcome in, everyone. We're just being patient. Man, I like longs here. If it gives me entry, I may try some. But not right here. Not in this area yet. Maybe around point of control if it pulled back. The blue dotted line here on the chart. What would the risk on that trade be? Let's see. 90 area. Quite a bit of risk, honestly. I'm just talking to myself here, as always. Make sure you drop the questions. I will do my best to answer them. We do have data dropping in 8 minutes. Thanks for reminding me, Vanessa. Do I have a video explaining the orb in more detail? I need to make an updated one. That's actually a great idea for a new video. I need to make an updated orb video. It's very simple strategy. I mean, extremely simple. Like, probably one of the easiest ones to trade, honestly. That or supply and demand, which supply and demand is definitely my favorite. But user 8956 on TikTok. Trade of 8 if you're gonna fund your own futures account. for sure. Me, appreciate that, me. I'll do my best for you. Ryan, 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 have you actually used the 7-day free trial yet for Grizzology? It does have the 7-day free trial. Good morning. I'm gonna look at ES, see what we got going on there. I agree, man. I don't trade crypto, Harry. As far as like, I don't day trade crypto. Keep in mind, everyone, if someone's messaging you on here, like say we get off this live, someone DMs you, it's not me. I will never DM you. In fact, I am behind on a few DMs. I need to check. Don't fall for some fake account on here. They're watching, even on these lives, so don't fall for a scam. .30-minute range is on here. Is Tesla going crazy? I haven't looked. It's funny. This is no lie. There's a fake Grizzly account talking to some girl in her DMs. He had some game. She actually sent me the messages. It's funny. I watch NQ most of the time. But ES and NQ, they're two different things. Which you already know that. But some dangerous price action here. For sure. Yeah. I haven't had them yet. Mom's explaining. Ah, I went a little further for the pullback. Chill out. I want an entry here. It's just gonna be like yesterday and not give us one. Wait all day for an entry, then just the technicals fall apart, you know? Oh, nice. You made some money off the AVGO. Nice trade, man. I want a little pullback for my entry. I like longs. Right here's where I'm gonna, well, it's gonna be a lot higher risk. Our ideal entry, we didn't have a crazy amount of volume on the breakout candle for one, but that 248 area to 264 is where I'm looking to add longs. If we just have a little pullback, just a little. We got to be careful though. Yesterday we had a nice strong move up, then it sold it back off. We got way above pre-market high. It sold it back off, made a low of day. So we have to be careful and watch the volume on these candles. No, you haven't missed anything. We haven't caught a trade. Appreciate Steve. Appreciate Steve for you dropping the data. Live on TikTok and Instagram. Yes. Where's ES at? It's hard for me to watch everything at once. Is anyone in a trade, Team Bull? Why can I not hear Jay Dunn? Is anybody?
Longs.
Oh, there we go. I can hear you now. I was looking for a long entry.
Me too. I want to see a little lower.
Just hope it doesn't do like it did yesterday. Then had a big move up and sold back off the low day, then made a new high day later on.
Should have gone a little lower into that zone, more towards the 15-minute high. That's what I want to see. I'm gonna test a small piece of longs, guys. Tested a small piece of longs. I'm gonna keep my stops at 240. Tested those longs.
Jay Dunn's in the longs, and I got in as well with him. I like this setup.
Tested those longs down there. It's kind of a sniper entry. Got a good fill in that too. 265. So 25 points of risk down to 240. I'd like to see like 290 plus for a trade.
I'm in the longs as well, everyone.
It's worth
Your average needs to be in the
worth a
60s
try
on
for
this,
me, everybody.
or should be in the 60s. It's okay if it's
I
lower
have hard
70s.
stops in at 240 in case we see some aggressive sell-off. I don't love this price action, but it's worth with a shot.
High day for me is
I'd like
price
to see a high
target.
day out of this. Like
I
it's
got
290 plus for a trim. I won't trim before 290.
I got filled at 266 on that.
Oh, nice. Come on, don't. Like we're up right now, 15 points, but
I want high
in terms
day,
of our
but it's
risk,
not
just
worth
a
it
little
to
too
me.
early to trim. So for me at least. Like, see, I'm willing to have a 1-to-1 trade at 290.
Oh,
That's what I'd like to see, though.
if we get down to that 250, I will add just this touch to my position. Nothing crazy. Maybe a couple more M and
This
Q.
was the entry, or actually a little lower than the entry area. This is the area I like. If you didn't,
Because the
first
top of that
entry,
15-minute range high is right there at 250.
your biggest risk is like 240. Oh, I
Wow.
got stopped out, everybody. I got stopped out. And watch it freaking rip back up.
I'm still in.
I just got stopped out of this move down, guys. I just got wicked out of this move down. I'm not in this trade. It's at my stop now, but I got stopped out.
It's I bet we have the
Literally
Fed
in
speaker.
about 2
Or someone
seconds.
speaking.
I didn't get too bad a slippage on that though. I got stopped out. 240 on the hard stop. I'm still open if we get a close above for a re-entry, but I did get stopped out on that trade. 240. Stop has been hit, not in the trade.
Well, it may get my stop.
Followed the hard stop, so that was aggressive.
It's
That
going to
was
do
just
exactly
shut
what
down.
it
That
did
has never
yesterday.
happened in a while.
Exactly what it did yesterday. I'm still in, everyone. But it could get me. If we close below this range, well, it hit my stop. I knew it. Exactly what it did yesterday. What'd I say? It looked great too, the first candle. But same as yesterday. Was some tricky price action. That's okay. I'm watching for something different now. I'm gonna try to go with what we seen yesterday. I'm gonna look for an entry on this candle if the volume's right. That's my last trade. Everyone always wonders why Brandon hates FOMC minute weeks. This is why. Well, Jadon, what's it keep kicking him?
Can you not hear me, Grizzly?
It kicks you off again. But anyways, what aggressive move down there.
Yeah, it stopped me out.
Exactly like yesterday.
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna wait for a pullback up. If we get this strong and aggressive candle here, to watch for a move back up for shorts with stops above the trend setting candle high. But until then, I'm gonna stay patient and wait. If I don't get another setup, I'll end my day red. I've had a red day in a minute.
You guys, 90 West Side, 1, 2.
I mean, all we can do, the only thing we can do, everyone, is just trader strategy. Some days it just don't work. You have to manage your trades. Some weeks, we had 1 month this year, seemed like nothing was working. We survived though. This is the volume we want though for a trade. We pull back up. And we was climbing up on rising volume. What was crazy. Yeah, we'd have to have a retest. Gotta have a. So if we take shorts here, everyone, right here's our trend candle. So our stops have to be here. So when we get in this trade, we need to. We want to position. We want to get in where it allows for proper risk to reward. So. Right at that point of control, everyone. View up. I'm gonna try a light size of shorts up here, okay? It's a tough morning, so this will be my last trade. $207 with my entry on the shorts. If it pushes up, I'm gonna be done. If it pushes up and gets back above this 15-minute range. Yeah, I'm in shorts. 207 was my entry. Oh yeah, definitely not my favorite week with price action. We're here though. We'll grind. We'll get through it. This light size trades. If we get stopped, we just have to show up the next day. What else we gonna do? Quit? I do agree though. Uh, that 236 area would be a better average on the shorts. Yep, Travis, that's exactly right. One of the hardest things, the hardest parts about trading is being a good loser. I'd like to see a nice move down with these shorts, everyone. Not bad, huh? Taking a trim here, everyone. Stops moved her entry. See if we can get continuation out of this. Come on, push down for us. Let's give us a nice push down. We got a nice trim down there. And we need mega trade. We closed below point of control too. Maybe from now on, with the market we're having this week, we just need to wait on the high volume candle retracement of for an entry. No, I'm still short. I've only trimmed once. I don't have a heavy size, but enough to make some money if we push down, especially if we go to 25,100. Wait, where's my price target? 25,087 is my price target. Oh my, hold on a second. Internet. Some reason this like stops working on my computer occasionally. I have to unplug it and plug it back into the back. There we go. Is anybody in the shorts with me here? I hope we get it. It may come up and stop us out before making the move, but we got a nice trim off down there, at least. I mean, we got, what, 207 down to, what was the low of that candle? 159? Trade's over. Trade is over. Nope, no trade for me. We had a losing trade and a winning trade. I'm still a little red, so full transparency on the day. There's the fair value gap though. Good morning, G-Man. How you doing? It rejected that mid line on the fair value gap perfectly. Jeez. You all about ready for a giveaway or what? I gotta check something real quick. We about ready, huh? Let me see. I'm seeing how many take profit accounts I have for one, but I got something else to give away apart from take profit eval. So stick around after this. I'm trying to see how many I have to give away. All right. I'm gonna give away some 50K accounts today. You all down for the 50Ks? Let's see. Naya on TikTok, you can have one of the 50K. You have to DM me on Instagram though to get it. Make sure whoever gets a free account today, when you DM me on Instagram, I need your email associated with Take Profit when you DM me. Okay, that's how I have to send it. You have to have a Take Profit account. Let's see, I'm gonna pick 2 from TikTok and 2 from YouTube. But I also have something else. Hold on. Danny, you can have one on YouTube. And Barry 8107, you can have one. That's 2 on YouTube, right? And I tried to give you one the other day and you never DM'd on Instagram. I thought I picked you. Maybe I thought I picked you the other day. But Anna, you can have one as well. And that's it for the take profit. But who here, all right, who here has been wanting to try Grizzology, the indicator? Anybody? All right, how's this? Okay, everyone knows Medman here, right? You all know Medman. Whoever goes to Medman and DMs him today can have a free, this is for new customers, but a free month of Grizzology. You have to, Medman, tell them where to reach you at on IG. He'll send you the link, the code, help you with whatever. For those that are already subscribers, I appreciate you more than you know. It means a lot. No, I got something special once you get inside too. There's something big coming to Grizzology community, so make sure once you get it, make sure you download the WAP app. There's a community with the Grizzology. You have a chat, you have a guide, all that stuff. So you're gonna have to drop it in TikTok as well, Midman. I've already picked two. I picked 4 winners for a 50K giveaway with Take Profit, and everyone that DMs Medman and tells him they want a free month of Grizzology for new members, he's gonna hook you all up. So I don't care how many of you all go to him. If you want in, you're gonna get in today for a month. Just make sure you cancel it if you don't want it. But I think you'll like it. Rip to your DM notifications, Medman. Alright. I'll catch you all in the morning, okay? We'll end this week strong. Oh, you're welcome.